was that Reba from My Broken Heart. Classic. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a small ass crawl space. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Look how small this crap is. I don't even think my skinny self can get in this. And you go to the unit right there. There's a light right here. This is a light switch. Probably a light switch. I have no idea, but we're gonna go inside. You can see a mouse trap over there. But at least he got some patterns. So that's good. Got on hand here. Make sure there's no leak. I see you. There we go. Inside this bad boy. I mean, it's nothing wrong. It's that small. Tight space to get into. Oh wow. This looks like got like a big leak going on right here. Yeah, there's a big leak. I mean, I know the spider web. I know the air conditioner outside, which this is connected to as well, so I'm guessing it's leaking off of that. I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what's doing it. It's leaking off of the low refrigerant system. Else looks good. He doesn't have a filter down here. He's upstairs inside the house. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and check everything out. Make sure everything's okay. And hopefully I'll make it out alive. Alright, I'm back. Let's go ahead and get out of here. These bikes on tap. The door's pretty close, so that's good. Like I said, no bugs or anything. So that's pretty good. But I mean, they have a rat trap down here, so I don't know if that's be a sign. Got a couple of rat traps down here. I don't know if that's a sign or what, but we're gonna go ahead and head out. Like I said, he was blowing refrigerant on that puddle. So I'm gonna go ask him if he wants us to put some refrigerant in there. Let's head on out. That's the trap right there. I like the trap, I don't like those type of traps, you know what I'm saying? Man, it's the most tricky part getting out this, because it's like I hit my back so many times coming out these. Let's try not to hit my back this time. Let's try not to hit my back. Please don't hit my back. Crawl. Here we out. Okay, see you at the next one. So we're back at the next crawl space. It's behind the bush. Oh man, it's gonna be a tough one. My main concern is hoping that the bush doesn't close on me. Ouch. While I'm in here, he also says he doesn't even know if his filter is even down here. I probably need to go with a stick, clear my way. It's roomy though. I would say that. Alright, so we down here. He said the house been vacant for a while, so hopefully there's nothing down here, nothing pops up on me. Looking for the furnace, I think it's all the way down there. Like I said, pretty roomy. There's a light right here. Ooh, there we go. So I found one light, which is awesome, which I like. There's this big piles of dirt. Oh my gosh. Incredible. Get underneath this little crack down here. There we go though. It's a big old unit. Holy shit. Oh man, I'm trying to find out where they filter will be at. safe to sit. Another light right here. Let's see if I can turn that light on. Nope, that light bulb is out. So, I'm guessing this is the unit. This is AMA. Crawl space. That's the door over there. Not that bad. Lots of dirt, but not that bad. I want to believe the filter's right here. That's what I want to believe. For some reason, the tape right there. He said he has no idea where his filter is at. I don't know if he just probably bought the house. Something tells me it's behind this screw right there. I'm probably have to go back and get that driver. Unscrew that shit. Let's hurry and get back out. Ah, my back. It's a clear path though, so we'll take it. What's that? There's something there. Nope. Yeah, let's get out, grab it, I'll be right back. Alright, so I found it. Turns out it wasn't right here at this, even though I could have sworn it was based off of just random screws. Turns out it was actually right here. There's a door. I need this door right there. This unit is pretty old, man. I can't even find out how old this thing is. I have to go outside and check, but yeah, that's it for this crawl space. I'll grab all my tools and get out for it. A mudstone comes through or something. I don't know. Look, they really digged out a whole path of mud just to get to this. Some dedication right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Before I get earthworms or ringworms, whatever you call it. Alright, next crawl space. And this one is a tricky one. All the way in the back, middle. Already got spider webs. Got me a stick for that. They said there shouldn't be nothing down here. Said she been down here about one time to grab something. So at least I know somebody been alive that's been down here and came back. So that's good. Knock all this stuff down. My flashlight. And let's head in there and see how messed up this could be. Oh, buddy. Ah, my back. Oof. So it's tarp. That's good. Spider web in there. On the side. Got right on my, right when I'm looking at the CD. What kind of CD this is? What's that? Reba from My Broken Heart. Classic. Gotta get that stick back because there's spider webs hanging all down. I think I just threw my stick all the way over there by accident. Grab that. So already we found the Reba CD. Switch down here. Keep going, Rod. Keep going, Rod. This ain't that bad. Just lots of spider webs. Getting it right there in the middle. I don't see nothing alive, so that's pretty good still. The door was locked closed, so I'm guessing nothing can be alive. I just keep knocking these spider webs the crap down. Sorry if I'm flashing with the light on the camera. I have no idea if I'm doing that or not. Oh, spider webs got it's a lot of spider webs out here. Good lord. There's a lot of spider webs on here. Like that. Going with this big game. Unit. Look around your surroundings before you get started. Make sure. Block that. There that bad boy goes. So yeah, made it down here for a maintenance call. So thankfully it's not service. Cross space of the service. Check this bad boy out. Is this a filter? I want to say that's the filter. I'm gonna wash that, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I've been doing maintenance, finish up, and get the crap out of here. Oh, so it's finished all up. Looks pretty good, and I found like a little copper pipe that I can use to help guide my way back. All the way over there. Go back here, make sure everything good. Hopefully got to get underneath this ductwork. Get underneath this water pipe. Oh, it's a wet spot right there. Where is that wet spot coming from? There's a wet spot. I don't know what that is. I'll just cover that back up. That's not coming from the air conditioner, so it's definitely not my problem. So, and on out. Just hit something. Oh, coming. Good. Oh, my knees are killing me on this. Even though it's turf, it's still not good. Do I take the Reba CD? Then do I blast on my way to my next house? No, I'm gonna keep it there. Souvenir. I'll keep it a souvenir. So I'm gonna leave this right here, because if I do come back out to do maintenance on it, I can at least grab that next time. I'm not gonna dust off. Knock some stuff off of this so it doesn't get on me. And yeah. And we're up. And across space out of the day. Look at pants. Just like from the wet spot. Dirt. But yeah, done with that. And that not go back in anymore.